Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about editing and revising. Let's look at editing first. Editing looks at grammar, spelling errors, and little mistakes. When you are editing, it'd be helpful to use this editor's checklist. Things that you want to look for when you're editing are capital letters used properly. Now, when capital letters are used properly, you would use them at the beginning of a sentence, for proper nouns, and for certain letters that require an uppercase, such as when you use the word I. Correct ending punctuation. This would be to look, did you use periods, question marks, exclamation marks? Did you use these marks properly? Did you use them at all? Do you need to add them in any place? Sentences are complete. This one is a big one, and sometimes when we're on our first draft, we can be writing quickly and just not realize we didn't write a complete sentence. So rereading, and rereading will help us see, does this sentence sound right? Is it complete? Paragraphs are indented. This is really important. I don't know it's a paragraph if you haven't indented it. And regarding paragraphs, you have 5 paragraphs: an intro, 3 body, and 1 conclusion. Also, your paragraphs need to have at least 5 sentences in them, each. Next, proofread. How do you proofread? You got to read it over and over again. You got to read it to someone else. Sometimes you don't hear it because you're saying it like you meant it, but you're not reading it properly. So using another person can really help. It can help get rid of unnecessary words, phrases, and sentences. It can help correct verb tenses. Like if you said you were going to the store, but you meant you went to the store. Also, is your name on your paper? That's really important. Make sure your name is on your paper so we know who you are. And is your title centered and capitalized? All the words in your title should be capitalized unless they are small, tiny words. In that case, you usually don't capitalize those. Now let's look at revising. Revising looks at sentence structure and organization. It forces you to rewrite whole sentences and maybe even more. It has more in-depth fixing that goes into it. Revising is a very important part of essay writing because we don't always write it perfectly the first time. Famous writers always revise. Anyone who writes revises. It is just a normal part of writing. So here's our revision checklist. Is my paper clear and focused? Did I stay on topic? Is my essay organized properly? Did I use the traffic light colors? Now I'm going to remind you what those are, and we'll go back to this checklist in a second. Our traffic light colors are green, state your opinion; yellow, introduce key star ideas; Red, elaborate by providing examples or explanations. And green, go back and restate your opinion. And for more in-depth about traffic light colors regarding your opinion essay, you can take a look at my previous lesson on opinion writing using the organization of traffic light colors. Next, is my opening strong? Does it capture the reader's attention? Can I cut or expand anything? Can I reword it? And do my paragraphs flow? Did I use transitions, such as first, second, third, last, furthermore? All these help your paragraph flow. So I'm going to post these different checklists on Google Classroom along with this video, and I'd like you to use it for your editing and revising of your essay or essays. All right, talk to you guys later.